animals. These are my dogs. Hi. And I'm gonna try and teach them some tricks. Okay. So this is Juicy. She's very food driven and she's excited. Stella's gone, she doesn't care that much. All right, Juicy, can you sit? Sit. So close. Stella? Hi, Stella. This is Stella. Sit. Good, sit. Juicy, you're supposed to Juicy, you're supposed to sit. That's not sitting. Try again. Good, sit. Gentle, Juice. This is already gonna be a mess, I can tell. Okay, sit. Sit down again. Good, sit out. Good, sit, honey, you're so good. All right, we may need to do some one at a time, because, okay, Juicy, sit. Sit. No. High five. High five. High five. High five. Okay, we're gonna do some separations here so I don't get trampled. Oh, you're so sweet. BRB. All right, I opened the door and the one that ran out was Juice, so it's Stella time. Stella, sit. Good, sit. Stella, can you lay down? Good girl. You're so good. Stella's a lot more enjoyable to teach things to because she's gentle and calm, and Juice is not. She doesn't really care much though. She kind of just will sit and lay down. She doesn't really make much of an effort to do anything else. Do you want to try and learn a new trick? Still sit. Sit. Good girl. Paw. Paw. Good girl. Good paw. This is gonna be rough. Good girl. Can you sit up all night, please? Still sit. No. Sit. Paw. 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 Okay. I'm not very good at this. I don't know how to teach you. I don't know what I'm doing. Good, lay down. You're so smart. Oh my God, I still have the TV on. Don't steal the treats. Hi, I'm sorry. Okay. Bye, baby. Good girl. All right, Juicy, it's your turn. Ready? Let's go. I just need everyone to mentally prepare themselves. Oh my God. Okay, we're all ready. Juicy, sit. Good, sit. High five. High five. High five. Paw. 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 Ah. Paw. No. Good girl. Okay, good girl. Sit. No. That's why I don't train my dogs. Okay, honey. You were so sweet, but you need to relax. Okay? Honey, sit. Good, sit. Lay down. Gentle. Good girl. Okay. You already had the treat. Okay, can you sit? You're so cute. You were so cute, but you were terrifying and strong and big. Ah! Okay, sit. Sit, please. Paw. High five. Yeah, that's my dog. This is Juice. I don't know how much more I can teach them, seeing as she's about to devour my hand. Honey, don't worry, she doesn't bite. She just puts it in her mouth and then just hangs out. Yeah, you are so good. Yep, that's fine. Okay, out. You're not supposed to, you shouldn't do that, Juice. You shouldn't do this, Juice. Out. I'm not a toy. Get a toy. Did you get one? You didn't get one. That's the one thing she knows very well. Good girl, Juice. You are so good. Finally, you're not biting me. Okay. She's just really happy and excited, and she doesn't know how to be calm. Huh? Yeah? Are you happy? Ow. You're such a good girl. Okay. hoping I could actually train my dogs, but it turns out they're a little difficult. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my dogs. I do have a cat as well, but he's a demon and I'm scared of him. So he probably won't be in videos unless he harasses me. If you like this video, make sure you like and comment down below. Let me know if you have any pets, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow my Instagram and my Twitch, and all my other links like my Twitter and my Discord will be in the description. And I'll see you guys Sunday, maybe?